Hey everyone, it's Mark Ferguson with Invest for More. I'm standing outside a fix and flip that we're currently working on. We'll walk through this, show you the current state of repairs. It's an up-down duplex, so it has 2 units, real close to the college, and we've got our kind of employee, hourly guy working on it, so he's affordable. Not as fast as a huge contracting crew, but definitely affordable, and we'll see what it looks like. All right, I bought this house for $175 a couple months ago. It was a college rental. People were living in both units, and there was carpet here everywhere. We were going to try and save the hardwood, but after pulling up the carpet, it's just too beat up, it's too far gone, and it just wouldn't be worth it to refinish it. And this being a college rental, you don't have to go all out on the repairs because it's most likely an investor who's going to buy it, and they know there's a decent chance that college students won't take care of it amazingly well. So one that's average condition, decent, versus one that's super nice, probably won't sell for that much more. So on this one, we're not going to replace the windows where we would in another flip. We can put carpet down or the cheap laminate down here and it won't matter. Our kitchen can have the basic, white cabinets from Home Depot, and it's not going to affect anything. So you can definitely treat different types of houses differently depending on who's going to buy it, the price range of the home, all types of different things. And really, saving money on repairs is the key to making money in this business. It's not making them look amazing, because that costs a lot of money. So there's 2 bedrooms up here. This is kind of, if you see the before video, which I'll link to, that's the spot where I pulled up the hardwood. Like, oh, it's in great shape, we can save it. And then that's kind of the best looking spot. This room, you probably could save this one room if you wanted to, but not really worth it just for one room. You can see we put in some new doors, fixed some of the trim. And here's another spot where it's just torn up and just not savable. The bathroom is in the process of being fixed up, as you can see. And then second bedroom up here. That nail. Good spot. All right, we'll check out the kitchen. One thing we did in here, it did not have much room at all, and they had the sink right in the middle. So you had the stove next to it, the sink, and like room for one upper. So we moved the sink over there next to the window, so you couldn't have an upper over there anyway because the window's there. So now we can have more uppers on that side and give us more cabinets. So pretty easy to just move the plumbing over a couple feet. And we'll wait a second here. And we'll go downstairs. All right, we'll take a peek downstairs now. So it has separate entrance. This door locks right here. And you have your laundry room right here. So you can have laundry for both units, which is super nice. Pretty rare. We'll just clean this up a little bit, make that look nicer. And then this unit is the one that needs quite a bit of work. We tore off most of this just because we had to do some wiring work and some plumbing work. And it's just better off taking it all down and redoing it than trying to spot patch things. So wiring should be done, plumbing should all be done. Matter of getting it cleaned up again. And of course, there's a dresser back there and it was full of stuff. So that hasn't been cleaned up yet, but obviously needs to be. that, if you can believe it or not, is going to be the kitchen. So tiny, tiny space. Nikki drew up a plan for it. And what you can do is actually get really small appliances. They're apartment size appliances, so they're much smaller than what you'll see in a house. The stove is like only 24 wide versus 30 inches. The dishwasher's smaller, the sink's smaller, everything's smaller, which gives you more room for cabinets. And so we're gonna put all of that in, and still won't be ideal, but it will be a kitchen, will be functional. It's a very small apartment, so you don't need a huge kitchen. In the bath down here, yes, they used plywood for their backing. And this bedroom, which I'm 6'1", and if I stand up tall, I bang my head on the ceiling on that thing. So that's the house. Very tight, small, but it's college rental, and that's what it's been for many years. And it's actually worth probably $240,000, $250,000 when we're fixed up, just because rents are so high, values are so high here, and people love college rentals. I don't like them. I think they're a lot of work, a lot of management, a lot of repairs usually, but other investors really love the college rentals. So we'll keep working on it, fix it up, and when we're done, we'll have an after video and show you everything that we did. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave comments, questions below. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it. And of course, check out investormore.com for lots more information on the flips, rentals, being an agent, all that good stuff.